Ford has officially revealed the new 2025 Ford F-150 Shelby with a 750 horsepower supercharged V8 engine. This is one of the most anticipated trucks of the year, and we couldn't wait to share all the details. The 2025 F-150 Shelby is the first ever performance truck from Ford's legendary special vehicle team. SVO is known for creating some of the most extreme and badass high-performance versions of Ford's most popular vehicles like the Mustang and the F-Series Super Duty trucks. Now they are bringing their expertise to the F-150, which will be the most powerful and capable F-150 ever built. It looks mean, it sounds mean, and it drives like a beast. But there are some things that you need to know before you fall in love with this truck. So stick around until the end of this video and we'll tell you everything you need to know about the 2025 Ford F-150 Shelby. Before we start, click the subscribe button to stay updated with the latest news, reviews, and concept cars. Also, hit the like button if you like the concept cars. Let's begin. The new 2025 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake is a collaboration between Ford and Shelby American. Combines the F-150's best-in-class towing and payload capabilities with Shelby American's expertise in high-performance vehicles. The result is a one-of-a-kind truck that is sure to turn heads and break records. The F-150 Super Snake is not just a pretty face. It's got some serious power under the hood. It comes with a 5.0-liter V8 engine that has been upgraded with a 2.9-liter twin-screw belt-driven supercharger. That's right, this truck has a supercharger that produces 750 horsepower and 730 pound-feet of torque. That's more than enough to haul anything you want, and then some. The Shelby F-150 is also equipped with an upgraded 8-speed automatic transmission and a limited slip differential. You'll have no problem putting all that power to the pavement. The truck also has a custom exhaust system that sounds as good as it looks. You'll definitely want to turn your radio down when you're driving this thing. Shelby American will offer 3 different appearance packages for the F-150 Super Snake, including a stealth gray package, a blue and silver package, and a red and black package. All packages will feature a unique front fascia, a custom grille, an LED lighting, and a lowered stance. The interior of the F-150 Super Snake is just as impressive as the exterior. You'll have a hand-stitched leather-wrapped steering wheel, a carbon fiber dash insert, and a premium audio system. You'll feel like you're driving a luxury vehicle while still having the capability of an F-150. Now let's talk about pricing. 2025 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake is expected to start around $80,000. That's definitely not cheap. But when you consider the price of other high-performance trucks on the market, it's not too bad. The Ram 1500 TRX, for example, starts at around $72,000. And the Jeep Gladiator Rubicon 392 starts at around $69,000. So the F-150 Super Snake is right in line with its competitors. But the question is, who would buy such an expensive truck? Well, according to Ford, the F-150 Super Snake is aimed at truck buyers who want more power, more capability, and more style. It's not meant to be a fuel-efficient commuter car or a grocery getter. It's meant to be a weekend warrior, a truck that you take out to play when you want to have some fun. Ford also says that the F-150 Super Snake is not a limited production run. It's not a special edition that you'll only see on the road for a few years. It's here to stay, and it will be available for the foreseeable future. Now let's talk about the specs of the 2025 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake. As we mentioned earlier, it has a 5.0-liter V8 engine that has been upgraded with a 2.9-liter twin-screw belt-driven supercharger. That's a lot of power, and it's also a lot of weight. The F-150 Super Snake weighs over 6,000 pounds. That's almost a ton, so it's not going to be winning any drag races against a lightweight sports car. But it's more than enough power to tow anything you want, and then some. The F-150 Super Snake also has a heavy-duty cooling system, a performance exhaust, and a sport-tuned suspension. It's not meant to be a rock crawler or a mud digger. It's meant to be a highway cruiser, a truck that you can take out on the open road and feel like you're re-driving a muscle car. The design of the 2025 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake is one of the most interesting aspects of this truck. It's not just a regular F-150 with a few cosmetic changes. It's a completely new take on what an F-150 can look like. The F-150 Super Snake has a long hood and a short bed, which gives it a mean, aggressive look. The hood also has a scoop that feeds air to the supercharged engine. The front grille of the truck is very imposing, with a large Ford logo and vertical bars that stretch from the top to the bottom. The headlights are sharp and angular, and they look like they could cut through anything. The bumper of the truck is also very sturdy looking, with a skid plate that protects the engine from damage. The side view of the F-150 Super Snake shows off its muscular stance. The truck has 20-inch forged aluminum wheels that fill out the wheel wells nicely. The tires are wrapped in Pirelli Scorpion All-Terrain P275 65R20S. The door handles are body-colored and the side mirrors are large and convex. The bed of the truck is short and wide, and it has a tonneau cover that can be locked in place with a push of a button. The tailgate of the truck is also very heavy-duty, and it has a Ford logo in the center. The rear view of the F-150 Super Snake is just as impressive as the front or the side views. The truck has dual exhaust pipes that exit out the sides, and they look like they could breathe fire. The taillights are LED, and they form an inverted triangle shape. The rear bumper is very thick, and it has a step in the middle for easy access to the bed. The license plate is mounted on the bumper, and it reads Shelby F-150. Overall, the design of the 2025 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake is a massive departure from the outgoing model. It's more aggressive, more muscular, and more stylish. It's a true super truck that looks like it means business. If you think that the Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake is not for you, don't worry. Ford has also revealed the new 2025 F-150 Raptor R, which is another high-performance version of the F-150 that comes with a 5.2-liter V8 engine that produces 700 horsepower. You can check out our previous videos for more information on the F-150 Raptor R. Overall, the 2025 Ford F-150 Shelby Super Snake is an amazing truck that combines the best of both worlds. The power and capability of an F-150 with the style and performance of a Shelby. If you're in the market for a new truck and you want something that's different, something that's more than just a work vehicle, then the F-150 Super Snake is definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching, and that's all for now. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to learn more about the 2025 Ford F-150 Shelby, I'll leave a link in the description below. Also, please subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. We have a lot of new concept cars coming up, and I do not want you to miss any of them. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.